Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We all love fitted sheets as the elastic corners are helpful for keeping them on a mattress. However, folding a fitted sheet is a real pain. Although with a little practice, you can easily fold your fitted sheets perfectly and organize them in your linen cupboard. So let's see a few ways to perfectly fold your fitted sheets. Here I have taken this fitted sheet for king size bed. To fold the fitted sheet perfectly, firstly it is important to fold it in fourths by arranging the elastic corners. So let's first see a few ways to fold it into a neat rectangle. For this first method, first of all place your hands in the corner of the opposite sides of the sheet and then lay it on a flat surface. Now place your hands in the outside of the other corners and turn them inside out and then fold them inside the first corners. Now gather the end elastics, pick it up and give it a good shake. Now place your hands in the corner of the sheet and lay it on a flat surface and you have a neat rectangle. For this second method, firstly place your hands in the top two corners that are inside out. Bring the corners together and flip one over the other. Now combine the other two corners on your other hand. Now bring both your hands together and flip all the corners over the left hand. Give it a good shake and lay on a flat surface to get a neat rectangle. For this method, lay the fitted sheet on a flat surface with the folded corners up. Now fold it in half. And then fold it in half again and you have a neat rectangle. Now let's start folding the sheet perfectly using different methods. This is a really simple method. For this method, firstly lay the pillowcases on top. Now fold the sheet in thirds and then fold it in fourths and it's done. For this method, just fold it from both sides and then tuck it inside this folded part. And that's it. For this method, firstly turn up a few inches on the other side of the sheet and lay the pillow covers on top. Now fold the sheet in thirds. And fold it in thirds again. Now use these folded inches at the bottom to hold the sheet together. For this method, firstly lay the pillowcases on top and fold one corner to the other corner to make a triangle. Now fold these two corners and flip the sheet to the other side and start rolling tightly. Now tuck this open corner inside the folded part of the sheet and it's done. For this method, firstly fold the sheet in thirds and then fold it in fourths. Now place one folded pillowcase inside the fold of the sheet. Now place the sheet in the other pillowcase. For this next method, firstly fold the sheet in thirds and then fold it in thirds again. Now lay both the pillowcases together and then fold them in thirds. Now wrap the pillowcases on top of the sheet and tuck inside the folded part. For this next method, fold the sheet same as the last option. Now take one pillowcase and fold it in fourths. Repeat the same process with the other pillowcase. Firstly, wrap one pillowcase. Now wrap the second pillowcase and tuck the sides under the first pillowcase. These were a few methods to fold the fitted sheet perfectly along with the pillowcases. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Happy organizing!